Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an innovative product that will enhance your home security and convenience, the Veise Keyless Entry Door Lock. We found this product online, and we've added a link in the description below for you to check out the latest price and availability. The Veise Keyless Entry Door Lock is an electronic keypad deadbolt designed to provide a seamless, keyless entry experience. Gone are the days of fumbling for keys or worrying about losing them. With this lock, you can easily secure your home while enjoying the freedom of keyless access. Let's explore some of the standout features that make this electronic deadbolt a must-have for your home. First up is the keyless entry system. The lock supports 20 permanent password codes, which means that multiple family members can have their own unique access codes. Additionally, it provides 2 spare keys and the option for one-time passwords, perfect for guests or service workers. This feature not only enhances convenience but also ensures your home remains secure without the hassle of physical keys. Another impressive feature is the auto-lock function. You can set the lock to automatically engage within a time frame of 10 to 99 seconds after closing the door. This is particularly handy when you have your hands full, whether you're carrying groceries, wrangling kids, or guiding a pet inside. Plus, if you want to lock the door immediately, just press and hold any key for 2 seconds from outside. No more second guessing if you remembered to lock the door. Security is paramount, and the Veise lock doesn't disappoint. It comes with a secure keypad and lock cylinder that has been tested with BHMA/ANSI Grade 3 standards, effectively resisting physical prying. With over 200,000 cycles of testing, you can rest assured that this lock will provide decades of reliable protection, whether you're asleep at night or away on vacation. Another important feature is the anti-peeping password function. This feature allows you to enter random numbers before or after your actual code, keeping your password safe from prying eyes. Additionally, the lock has a wrong code entry limit. After 10 failed attempts, it will shut down for 3 minutes, making it significantly harder for potential intruders to guess your code. You won't have to worry about constantly changing batteries either. The Veise lock has a battery life of up to 12 months with 4 AA batteries. Plus, the low battery alert will give you plenty of notice before the power runs out, ensuring you're never caught off guard. For those who enjoy traveling, the vacation mode is a fantastic addition. This feature deactivates all codes except for the master code, providing peace of mind while you're away. If the lock is opened manually from the inside, an alarm will sound, adding an extra layer of security. Additionally, if you prefer a quieter experience, the silent mode disables keypad beeping sounds while keeping necessary alerts audible. The lock is also weather resistant with an IP54 rating, ensuring reliable functionality in extreme temperatures ranging from -35 degrees Fahrenheit to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. This means it can withstand the harshest of weather conditions, making it suitable for just about any environment. Installation is a breeze too. All the necessary hardware is included, and you only need a screwdriver to complete the setup. It's designed to fit most standard US doors, whether they are right-handed or left-handed. Lastly, Veise offers lifetime support based in the US with direct phone assistance during business hours and 24/7 email support. The lock also comes with a 2-year warranty, ensuring that any issues can be addressed quickly and efficiently. Overall, the Veise Keyless Entry Door Lock is ideal for families, busy professionals, or anyone looking to enhance their home security with modern convenience. Whether you're at home or away, this electronic deadbolt offers peace of mind while making your life easier. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget